How much money can you make with Notion? What if I told you there's a tool that could not only streamline your workflow but also earn you a significant amount of money? What if I said this tool is already in your hands, waiting to be leveraged? Section 1. Understanding Notion's potential. Notion isn't just a note-taking app. It's a versatile productivity platform that can be customized to fit your specific needs. From personal organization to team collaboration, Notion offers a wide range of features that can be monetized. Here are some of the ways Notion can help you make money. Freelance services *. Virtual assistant. Offer your services as a virtual assistant, using Notion to manage tasks, projects, and communication with clients. Project manager. Utilize Notion's templates and collaboration features to manage projects efficiently and charge a premium for your services. Content creator. Create digital products like templates, databases, and courses using Notion and sell them online. Digital product creation *. Templates. Design and sell Notion templates for various purposes, such as personal organization, business planning, or project management. Databases. Create specialized databases for specific industries or use cases and sell them as a standalone product or part of a larger package. Courses. Teach others how to use Notion effectively through online courses, sharing your knowledge and expertise. Affiliate marketing *. Promote Notion. Partner with Notion or other related tools and promote them to your audience, earning a commission on each sale. Recommend complementary tools. Suggest other tools that complement Notion, such as design software or project management platforms, and earn affiliate commissions. Section 2. Building a monetization strategy. To maximize your earnings with Notion, it's essential to have a well-defined monetization strategy. Here are some key steps to consider. Identify your niche. Determine your area of expertise or interest and focus on creating products or services that cater to that niche. Understand your audience. Research your target audience to understand their needs, preferences, and budget. Create high-quality content. Offer valuable and informative content that solves your audience's problems and provides them with tangible benefits. Build a strong online presence. Establish a personal brand and create a website or blog to showcase your work and attract potential customers. Promote your products and services. Utilize various marketing channels, such as social media, email marketing, and content creation, to reach your target audience and drive sales. Section 3. Case studies and success stories. To inspire you further, let's explore some real-world examples of individuals who have successfully monetized their Notion skills. Example 1. A freelance writer who created a Notion template for organizing research and writing articles, selling it for a premium price. Example 2. A project manager who developed a custom Notion database for tracking client projects and team tasks, offering their services to businesses in need. Example 3. A content creator who launched an online course teaching others how to use Notion for personal organization and productivity, attracting a large audience and generating significant revenue. Section 4. Tips and tricks. Here are some additional tips and tricks to help you maximize your earnings with Notion. Continuously learn and improve. Stay updated on the latest Notion features and best practices to enhance your skills and offerings. Network with other Notion users. Connect with like-minded individuals to share knowledge, collaborate on projects, and explore new opportunities. Provide excellent customer support. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and offer exceptional support to build trust and loyalty. Be patient and persistent. Building a successful Notion-based business takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged by setbacks, and keep striving towards your goals. With the right approach and dedication, you can turn Notion into a powerful tool for generating income. By leveraging its versatility, creating valuable products, and building a strong online presence, you can unlock your earning potential and achieve financial success. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring the possibilities of Notion today and discover how it can transform your life and career. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.